Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the HP USB 2.0 flash drive. This is a v236w. Now, as you can see, this is a 16 GB flash drive. It's got a metal design. You can store your files on it and it works on a desktop. So let's just turn this around to see what information we have at the back. So interesting, it says country of manufacture is India. So this is actually made in India. And this product contains small parts that could be hazardous. Okay, fine. System requirements: Windows and Mac compatible. Okay, and that's about it. Not much written. So this is a 2.0 drive. It's not USB 3.0, it's a USB 2.0 flash drive. Let's just go ahead and open it up, and there you have it. That is the pen drive. It's quite a sleek looking pen drive. I mean, it's from a design point of view, it's pretty good to look at. It's shiny, it's pretty standard, and it actually has a little hole in it where you can actually put a lanyard through. So you can actually attach it to something so that you don't lose it. So there you go, folks. That was the unboxing of the USB 2.0 flash drive v236w. We hope you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.